I have one Weird Drive EV in tow ball. We are going to swap a 100 kilowatt hour battery pack into Hulk, our Tesla Model S P85 that we use for towing. The 85 kilowatt hour pack works absolutely fine, but we'd just like a bit more range, please. Here we go, Steve. We excited?
Yes.
What are we going to do today, mate?
Change of battery.
All right. So Hulk's become a big girl. She's
Something
gonna
like that.
Something like that. So we've got our best precision tools out. We've got a big old battery on an old trailer. We've got a high precision Nissan Leaf for manoeuvring the other battery. An Imperial calibrated old trailer. We're going to move the battery on. This will be fine. And Dave's big hoist, which we're very grateful to be able to use. Thanks, Dave.
We should use our high voltage tools in there. That'd be pretty fun.
Yeah.
Then you won't arc out the 12 volt.
I've always...
You can see them inside the car. It'll be very nicely in the middle of the battery. I'm not sure how the battery weight is, but
No, I don't think.
that's how the middle of the things are. And it looks pretty similar on the 100, right? Like it looks pretty... we probably want to put something under it so we can take the battery back off there.
Yes, that's right. I was thinking about this at 2 o'clock in the morning. Everyone happy?
I'm pretty happy, bro.
Yeah, sure, probably right.
And the centre of the pallets is not in line with the centre of the axle.
No, but you kind of want it a little bit. If you have it a little bit forward, then at least we know that we're gonna...
Yep.
It's not gonna go...
Stop.
Yeah, that seems good.
Happy with that?
Yeah, we'll see how we go. We might want a bit more, but...
Yep, clear. Down, 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 down. Sure, robots could do this in about 30 seconds.
Well, robots that have multiple robot hands.
Yeah, fucking robots.
Thank you, robots.
Yeah.
Are you planning on opening it up and sorting stuff out?
Not today.
So you removed 8 bolts, yeah?
I wasn't counting, sorry, but I'll go and have a look, make sure the holes are clear. 1, 2, 3.
Well done for checking, Ned.
What a dumber.
What happens when the contacts break of like the motor and all of that stuff? Do we have to make sure we're fast enough that it doesn't stay in like a weird limbo mode and empty itself?
Maybe, it's quick release with those fins, so... I mean, I guess if you... Yeah, I guess I'll go yep, and then you just go for it. Looks free here.
I'm going to just send it for a bit.
Yep. Clear. Nice work.
How?
Good work, Ned.
Oh, that's...
It's got a battery on it. It's probably not...
So we thought that was... Yeah, that front doesn't look good.
Because I think...
It doesn't look like
Oh,
a
that's
block.
the penthouse. No, I think it'll be fine. Because you can lift this. You can jack off that. You can forklift off it. So I think we strap it to the trailer like we're about to fucking tow somewhere.
Yeah.
And then it's, as long as it doesn't fall off.
Well, how far is it? Isn't it only just going... Okay. Well, I mean, it is 50 grand, so let's drop it. But I don't think we need to. But I think
Well, I
for
was
this...
thinking...
Measurements. We are absolutely confident it's going to work perfectly first time.
We sure are.
Here. Ned,
Hi.
so what have we come across and what we're sorting out?
Well, this is the P100D pack. So it bolts up in the same way. It's got the same mounting holes along the side rails and these rails along here, these 12 points that it connects to the body with.
Yep.
Then back here we have the water connections for the cooling. They're in the same place between the two packs. So they're quick connects, so they will automatically connect when they go in and all the water connects up and shouldn't leak too much. And on the front here we've got the high voltage connection. So that's the main connection from the battery. And over there we have the connectors for the BMS. Now they look slightly different between the two packs, but that's because the mounting faces are different, but we've measured from the mounting faces they're going to touch the body, and from the rails over here that also attach to the body, and referenced it back to those connectors, and they're all in the right place. So we believe the pack should go straight in.
Why is this bit green?
Because Hulk.
More. Stop. Perfect.
This jack's not very movable.
No. Alright, well you've got to go over starters.
Yeah.
Keep your eye on it.
Not movable now.
Probably got a good sight here too. The pins are about 4 inches. The pack is 4 inches too far forward in the backwards in the car.
Yeah.
Forward, backwards of the car.
Needs to go that way.
Yeah.
Which way do you need it to go?
The pack needs to go that way by about 4 inches.
I can see a hole.
All of it? The whole hole?
I think we can come
I
another.
can see a hole. I think the back's definitely out.
We can definitely come a couple more. Do you want to lay under there and tell me when to stop?
From looking at the plugs,
Yeah.
I'd say that the battery pack is slightly too far back.
Where's the back? This way.
What do you mean the battery pack's too far back? We reckon it's got to go further back.
Yeah, I'm talking like 20 mil.
Okay, so should I call this? You just tell me when to.
Yeah, we need to go back towards the door.
I think if we're going to move sideways like that, it'll automatically, all the position will be way out anyway.
I think right there is pretty good from side to side.
Alright, let me check the front and back. The pack needs to go your way a little bit on the back here.
Definitely can't.
Oh, the back can.
I see me. Maybe. Like where? I'd say where.
I think I need to go towards the back of the car still.
Alright, yes, we do, definitely, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Are you happy about there? Maybe a touch more, but.
Yeah, touch more.
Right, oh, that's, yeah.
That's probably too far actually.
It's
Pretty damn close.
some of the holes I'm looking at look good here.
Yeah.
How's the front looking now?
It's hard to say. But don't know. Maybe that. Have you got that camera thing?
No, that's at home.
Oh.
That's the one thing we told you to bring.
Yeah, well, in the front, I put that.
I said just bring an
I think
endoscope.
going back home, we can measure the pack to something and see how good we are side by side.
These all line up nicely, Ned, with my pencil of measurement.
Okay, but don't use a pencil.
Why?
Use one of these because it's got a flat bottom, so you can stick it all the way in and then hold it so it's straight and then line it up in the middle of the hole.
Yep. Yep.
Well, I'll lie under this one and try and...
I probably need to go away from me by about 1 to 2 mil, and that's me.
Okay, and try and move it like a little bit. How's that?
That feels pretty good for me.
Yeah. Yep. Probably back half a mil or something, but
Mate,
Can you come watch the front and take the water and if it starts hosing out?
laugh.
You'll either have to make a call whether to send it or retreat.
yeah.
Who is retreat?
Okay.
Happy?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
There's nothing changing my end. Still no change.
Yeah, keep going. Wait. Don't know if that's how it normally sounds or...
Inspecto Patronum.
If you ever wanted to see what Jay looks like through an endoscope, that's it. It's green.
This is quite a dangerous one, right?
Is that a pyro?
Yeah. Look, 100 kilowatt hour.
Oh.
Disconnect pyro too.
So don't.
So this is a need job.
Yeah.
You want to put that in, bro?
What's that?
You trying to put that in?
No, what's that?
There's the fuse for the battery.
Oh. Okay.
It's fine.
You'll edit that out.
Yeah. She's in. Where does the pyro fuse go? Is that here?
Yes.
Oh.
Alright, we go small one, please?
Small one what?
Yes.
Oh yeah, look, that lines up.
Are you filming for posterity? So when someone does stick their finger in somewhere, they light up and glow.
Pretty much.
You've got it on camera.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's a little bit of that.
It'll be YouTube sensation. I think to be fair, if this was live, we'd have bigger.
Yeah. Just for the record, Steve, show me your hands and also show me your high voltage tools.
Okay.
There's Steve doing it proper. Look.
1000 volts.
In date and proper high voltage toolage.
Also 1000 volts.
So we don't get zapped.
Is it going to hit first? Right, what does it go?
Goes that way.
Ah, that makes sense. So I guess I would push this with confidence and then hold it there, right?
Yeah.
That'd be the way to go.
Yeah, it won't do anything.
It won't spark like
No. No. Even though they're Angry Birds, they're still...
There we go.
Lego.
Could you put that on there?
I can.
Thank you.
Keeping well away from the angry parts.
Well, there was a little spark there.
Oh.
Is this annoying for the video, or
No, it's kind of ASMR.
how about that?
Yeah. Was it alright to touch your hands? Because I'm not wearing the gloves.
I think so. You're still here, so.
Yeah.
I'll just give these two.
Yeah. Why don't you brush a third one in so it all nicely lines up?
Will it make you feel better if I do?
Yes. Love that Tesla tool is not high voltage.
Yeah, it's got a little thing on it that says high voltage. So. Yeah. Oh, you can see it quite easily.
Oh, is that
Even
the
in endoscope, eh?
back of them? I can see that.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, but we felt more professional using the endoscope.
It'd be nice to have like a good endoscope. No offense. Sweet.
MCU's booted now.
Oh, hang on a minute. These got these pricky inside bolts, haven't they?
4% charge now.
Yeah, I had to take the bumper off and I was like, this is not fun, this is not a 5-minute job.
Was the underneath the house?
Is that a high voltage short wrench, Ned?
It's as high voltage as it needs to be, Jay.
I'm helping.
Here you are. Better use your head for something.
So where we're at now is the programming's been done, the battery pack's in, everything's connected, but what we found is the P100 12-volt wiring is not the same as this vintage of Tesla wiring. So we're just working on a solution for that. And that'll be the story on Hulk's battery swap.